Zion? Zion? Zai? Zai Zai? Smile.
Cup.
Guys, just I've got a lot of work ahead of me today. Starting with the fridge, I'm so excited to clean it. Okay, I'm gonna clean the fridge today. Please don't judge. It's a mess, a complete mess. And this is not gonna be what you see on TikTok with like cute little containers and whatever. Like, no, it's literally me cleaning out the fridge, taking out what is off, what that shouldn't be there, what has been sitting in the back of the fridge for months, and just taking out shelves, washing them, the whole shebang. Okay, and then we've got a doctor's appointment at 3 p.m. today. Every time that there's a day that we have to go somewhere, like Friday is a swim school day, it makes me so anxious, because like if you were in my body right now, my stomach is just doing a twirl, honey. It makes me so anxious because I have to like time his nap time. I just remembered I didn't take his stroller out of his room to put in the boot while he's napping, so that's going to be extra time for me when he wakes up. And then I think about the drive there, getting out the car. Should I bring a dummy with me? But he doesn't take a dummy during the daytime anymore. He's only allowed a dummy in the morning, and I mean when he's sleeping in the morning for his nap and at nighttime. But he freaks out when he sees a doctor, so a dummy will comfort him. But he should be okay, because we went to get vaccinated the other day and he was okay. He cried, he was without a dummy. Like, stressful. I don't know if any other, I don't know, maybe it's because I had my baby in the pandemic and we're not used to going anywhere. But just planning a day to go anywhere that I have to make sure that he gets a nap in and not miss the appointment that we have set. Stress about getting him in the car, because he's at the stage where he just doesn't want to get into his car seat. It's a fight. Like, I explain, we are not, like, because every time we go outside he thinks we're going for a walk. We are not going for a walk. We're going to the doctor or to the shops or swimming. If I say swimming, he sort of understands, because he always says swim, swim, swim. And yeah, anyways, let me go and start with the fridge. It is now 19 minutes after 11, so I want to make sure that I'm done with it. I'm gonna give myself like a full 1 hour. It might take a little bit longer because I'm filming and I need my tripod, move tripods around, all of that to get you all the good shots, you know. So gloves on, warm water, soap, let's go. So it's done. At the bottom I've got vegetables and fruit. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those grapes. I need to sort that out, as well as the baby marrows. I need to find a way to store them the same way that I've stored these carrots. I do not have a lid for this jar. I don't know where my lids are, but anyways, in here I've got tomatoes. These are some exotic ones and mini rosa tomatoes, and then I've got 2 cheeses here. I need to find way to store the cheeses as well. And I stored the strawberries this way. I hope they last long. I actually had to do some research online about that. The bacon this way as well. So whenever there's a new packet of bacon, I do not want open packets of food in the fridge. That's what makes the fridge smell. And then I've just got like jars, jam, sun-dried tomatoes, feta, Zion's spreadable cheese, which is vegan. Let me just close the fridge and open it again so it stops beeping. Okay, I've got some crushed ginger here. I don't like that container, but anyways, this shelf is just completely empty except for Zion's yogurts. He has one every single day. This one was an open one that he had half of it in the morning as a chia pudding, so he can have the rest of it this afternoon. I think that I want to get him some squishes, even though I said that he can't have squishes anymore, which is like the little pouches, because I want him to, if he wants to eat fruit and vegetables, he must eat real fruit and vegetables, you know. And up there is a cocoa butter spray and this beer that was just floating around in a freaking carton thing, annoying me. Eggs stocked up again, yay. I eat eggs almost every day. And these are just like sauces. This is a medication actually that needs to live in the fridge. There's another one at the back here somewhere, and more sauces down here. This is a pea sauce, and then our milk just lives at the bottom there. Fridge is tackled. I feel so accomplished, yay. Now I just need to tackle the pantry cabinet. I love glass jars, but I'm not in the season of my life where we can have glass jars in the pantry, because homeboy, aka Zion, loves to crawl in there and grab things, and then he's just gonna drop them and break them. I don't want to get plastic ones because I don't like them. They look ugly. Yeah, no, not cute. So my pantry is still a mess right now. I don't even want to show you. And yeah, I'm very happy. We need a little bit more structure, you know, because the Tupperware containers were plastic containers, were, you know, where you put leftover food and stuff. There are a lot, but I just found like there were a lot in the fridge with like spoiled food, which is not cool. But now we can see that, hey guys, it's maybe time for a restock in the fridge, whereas it was just cluttered and I couldn't really see what was going on. It seemed like there was a lot of food, but actually there wasn't. These carrots, I actually want to get into the habit of grating some carrots for Zion for breakfast, and he can just nibble on that. I gave him a raw apple the one day, like first time having a raw apple, and he loved it. So who knows, he might love the carrots as well. I don't think I'm going to vlog the rest of the day because this took a lot of energy out of me. So we're gonna go. It's now 24 minutes past 1. He should be awake like 1:45, 2 o'clock. He's gonna have his lunch, so am I, and then we're gonna go to the doctor. This woman probably thinks like I'm the worst mother on earth because my child is always at her office, but we don't really care what people think, eh? She's a doctor, she needs to fix him. I don't want to share what's wrong with him because I don't want like advice on what to do, whatever, which is why I went to the doctor. So I'm gonna stop this over here. I'm so glad that I vlogged today or showed you my little fridge clean up, because I was supposed to vlog our Heritage Day outing and I didn't, and I regret it. But here you go. Here's some fridge tidy up, cleaning, organization. Very satisfying motivation. I hope you do the same. Okay, I'm gonna stop this over here. Bye.